Hello, Earthlings! As you can see, it's raining, and as I'm filming this, I'm currently in Back Bay, but by the time you're watching it, I'll be back in the bay. I'm leaving the MFA. I just did my final art history presentation. This has been a really free finals week for me. Because I wouldn't have anything on Monday or Tuesday anyway. Well, apart from accompanying ratings auditions. And on Wednesday, I didn't have to show up to one of my classes, and then the other one was reharm techniques. And we just had a really relaxed class where we just talked about stuff. We happened to be talking about the difference between modality and tonality, but that's because a girl brought it up. And then today, all I really had to do was meet with my jazz counterpoint prof, who's actually the same guy as my jazz comp 2 prof, Scott Free. Obviously, his parents had a sense of humor. Hi, we're Mr. and Mrs. Free. This is our son, Scott. This is our other son, Buy One, Get One. And this is our daughter, Belle. But yeah, all I'll really be doing tomorrow is meeting with Scott again, because I'm taking 2 classes with him. Alright, it's Friday now. Do not sing that song. You know which song I'm talking about. And I'm headed to one last rehearsal with Matthew, Azrieli, and the guys before I head home. Alright, I'm all packed up. Time to head to the airport. Alright, I'm at the airport now of flight to San Francisco. That isn't mine, just left. They're playing a lot of Christmas music. Almost every 4th song is Kenny G. But yeah. Back in San Francisco now. It's about 2 a.m. and those psychedelic lights you saw on the runways, I mean, they were beautiful, but not as beautiful as the stars, which unfortunately my phone can't see as well as my eyes. Alright, I'm back in San Rafael. My bed's a lot lower than I imagined, but I don't know, it's been that way for a while. Another news, since this Friday is Christmas, I'm going to be posting 2 Christmas songs this week. I think I'll actually post one on Christmas Day itself. Yeah, so stay tuned for those. Go forth and be awesome.